America's national parks are more than just destinations. They are treasures that showcase the beauty and diversity of our planet. From towering peaks to pristine beaches, from arid deserts to lush forests, each park tells its own unique story. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to discover 15 of the best national parks in the USA. Whether you're planning your next adventure or just dreaming of the great outdoors, these parks are sure to inspire. Let's dive in. Number 1. Yellowstone National Park. Yellowstone isn't just the first national park in the US, it's the first national park in the world. Spanning 3 states, Yellowstone is famous for its geothermal features like Old Faithful, the vibrant Grand Prismatic Spring, and over 10,000 hot springs and geysers. But it's not just about geothermal wonders. Yellowstone's vast wilderness is home to bison, elk, bears, and wolves. Whether you're hiking, camping, or wildlife watching, this park promises an unforgettable adventure. Number 2. Grand Canyon National Park. One of the 7 natural wonders of the world, the Grand Canyon is a testament to the power of nature. Carved by the Colorado River, over millions of years, its vast expanse and vibrant layers of rock tell a story billions of years in the making. Whether you explore the South Rim, hike to the bottom, or take a rafting trip, the Grand Canyon is an awe-inspiring experience like no other. Number 3. Yosemite National Park, California. Yosemite National Park is a natural masterpiece. Its granite monoliths, like El Capitan and Half Dome, are world famous, especially among rock climbers. But Yosemite offers more than just cliffs. Its waterfalls, meadows, and ancient sequoia groves make it a paradise for hikers and nature lovers. Don't miss the breathtaking views from Glacier Point or a peaceful walk in Mariposa Grove. Number 4. Zion National Park, Utah. Zion National Park is where towering red cliffs meet lush green valleys. The park's most famous hike, Angel's Landing, offers a thrilling and challenging climb with unparalleled views. For a completely different experience, trek through the Narrows, a slot canyon with walls that soar hundreds of feet above you. Zion is a park that truly immerses you in nature. Number 5. Glacier National Park, Montana. Known as the crown of the continent, Glacier National Park offers dramatic mountain scenery and a glimpse into a time when glaciers sculpted the land. Drive the famous Going to the Sun Road for stunning vistas, or hike the Highline Trail to get up close to the park's rugged beauty. But hurry, climate change is rapidly shrinking its iconic glaciers. Number 6. Great Smoky Mountains National Park, Tennessee, North Carolina. The Great Smoky Mountains, affectionately called the Smokies, are a natural wonderland teeming with biodiversity. It's the most visited national park in the US, thanks to its accessible trails, rich Appalachian history, and stunning scenic drives like the Blue Ridge Parkway. Whether you're exploring Cades Cove or hiking to Clingman's Dome, the Smokies offer a peaceful retreat into nature. Number 7. Arches National Park, Utah. Arches National Park is a land of surreal beauty, where over 2,000 sandstone arches defy gravity. The park's crown jewel, Delicate Arch, is a must-see, especially at sunrise or sunset. From short hikes to scenic drives, this park showcases the power of wind and water over millions of years. Number 8. Everglades National Park, Florida. The Everglades is a unique ecosystem home to alligators, manatees, and rare birds like the roseate spoonbill. Explore the park by kayak or airboat to see its vast network of mangroves and waterways. The Everglades is more than just a swamp. It's a vital natural treasure. Number 9. Rocky Mountain National Park, Colorado. Rocky Mountain National Park offers towering peaks, alpine lakes, and some of the best wildlife viewing in the country. Drive Trail Ridge Road, one of the highest continuous paved roads in the US. For panoramic views, or hike to Dream Lake for picture-perfect scenery. Number 10. Acadia National Park, Maine. Acadia National Park is where the mountains meet the sea. Located on the rugged coast of Maine, it's a haven for hikers, bikers, and photographers. Start your day with sunrise at Cadillac Mountain, one of the first places in the US to see the sun. And spend the day exploring its rocky shores and scenic trails. Number 11. Bryce Canyon National Park, Utah. Bryce Canyon's iconic hoodoos, towering spire-shaped rock formations, create a landscape that feels like another planet. Hike down into the amphitheaters to fully appreciate their scale. Or visit at night for some of the best stargazing in the country. Number 12. Denali National Park, Alaska. Denali National Park is a wilderness lover's dream. Home to North America's tallest peak, Mount Denali, the park offers vast, untouched landscapes. Take a guided tour, try dog sledding, or simply soak in the solitude of Alaska's rugged beauty. Number 13. Joshua Tree National Park, California. Where two deserts meet, Joshua Tree National Park offers surreal landscapes filled with its namesake trees and unique rock formations. It's a haven for rock climbers and stargazers. With some of the clearest night skies in the US. Number 14. Grand Teton National Park, Wyoming. With its dramatic peaks and crystal clear lakes, Grand Teton National Park is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Hike, kayak, or simply admire the views from the shores of Jenny Lake. This park offers serenity and adventure in equal measure. Number 15. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, Hawaii. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is a living, breathing testament to the power of nature. Home to Kilauea and Mauna Loa, this park lets you witness the creation of new land as lava meets the sea. explore lava tubes, hike through rainforests, and see Earth's forces at work. These 15 national parks represent the best of what nature has to offer, each with its own unique landscapes and adventures. Which one will you visit next? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Until next time, happy exploring.